How to use CapCut for beginners. First, you need to download and install CapCut on your device. Once it's installed, open the app. Click on New Project to start editing. This will open the main editing screen where you can add your video clips, photos, and music. Click Import to add your videos, photos, or music from your computer. Once imported, your files will appear on the left side of the screen. Now, let's do some basic editing with your media. Drag your video clips from the left side to the timeline at the bottom. To trim, drag the edges of the clip inward to cut out any unwanted parts. Place the playhead, the white line, where you want to split your video. Click the split button above the timeline to cut your clip into two parts. Slow. To delete a clip, right-click on it in the timeline and select Delete. Let's add some effects and transitions to make your video more interesting. Click on Effects on the right side. Drag an effect you like onto your clip in the timeline. You can adjust it by clicking on the effect in the timeline. Click Transitions on the right. Drag a transition between two clips on the timeline to add it. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to save it. Click the Export button at the top right. Choose your video quality and where to save it. Click Export again, and your video will be saved to your computer. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials.